Alright, so we're doing some testing on a Royal Exclusiv Double Cone 150 skimmer. This is set up in a small 20-gallon tank. I've used water from my reef tank, and I added a little bit of skim mate from my Supermarine 250 to make sure we have plenty of dissolved organics in the water so that we get proper foam fractioning. The skimmer is set up between 6.5 and 6 3/4 inches of sump depth, and we are 4.5 full turns out on the volute. We're only 4 hours in, so the skimmer is not broken in yet. We are seeing a little bit of micro bubble in the water, but that's to be expected. Once the skimmer settles in and builds up a slime coating, things will really settle down. But just 4 hours in, and yeah, like I said, we have a little bit of skim mate in the water to make sure there's dissolved organics, but that isn't nice foam. I don't know what is. Before long, it's liable to start coming out the vents on the top of the cup. Right now I have the drain line for the skimmer open so that it can drain back into the water. That way we have plenty of dissolved organics, because if we plug that thing up, it'll in no time remove the dissolved organics from the water and kind of settle down. So I want to keep this thing going and see what it does and make sure there's no surging, because some people have indicated surging issues. But the key to addressing surging with this skimmer is to open the volute. If you're seeing surging, you're seeing it because a siphon is occurring inside the skimmer and water is rising up, building up head pressure, and then it siphons out the drain pipe there. So right now we have our drain pipe wide open. The more you open the volute, the less water goes in the skimmer and the more air that goes into it, and that reduces the head pressure in the skimmer. So if you're having a surging issue with a double cone skimmer, open your volute a little bit more, because that will help you out. And you know, there is no right or wrong. Adjustments and the settings and sump depth all vary depending on your salinity, the amount of fish, and most importantly dissolved organics in the water, and you know, a number of other factors can impact what the ideal setting is. But that is a great foam. I don't know what is. And again, we're only 4 hours in. We've got a ways to go, but the skimmer is actually working remarkably well.